We are ECHT Ventures, delivering the best. A diversified organization based in India with a rich history of over 7 decades. With 6 business verticals, ECHT Group is at the forefront of innovation, creating products that push boundaries.
At ECHT, we take pride in being one of the top quality producers of CTC teas in Assam, with a production capacity of over 1 million kilograms per year.
We are proud to own world-class water sports centers under the brand name Antarctica SeaWorld. With our world-class water sports centers, we are committed to providing with an international standard water sports experience.
Spree Walk, India's first premier lakefront experience brand. Our mission to breathe life back into Indian promenades. Get ready for a journey of enchantment and exploration.
Our marine division is producing state-of-the-art aluminum boats and houseboats, LLDP floating docks and aquacycles. We at ECHT Marine are passionate about delivering the best quality marine products to help you experience the luxury of marine life. From boats and yachts to jetty, we strive to provide our customers with the ultimate marine lifestyle experience.
Our real estate business provides modern living and lifestyle spaces and residential complexes in central India.
With our commitment to innovation, ECHT Group is poised to lead the way for the future.